What up, nomads? In this video, I'm going to be reviewing a suitcase from the brand Quince. Now, you might know Quince as a fashion brand. In fact, they sell all sorts of things from clothing to home goods and now suitcases. So if you've been in the market for one that's on the lower end of the hard shell models in terms of price, this is a great one to check out. Over the past 10 years, I think the market for suitcases has really diversified, making it a little bit more difficult to choose. There are lots of different brands within the $150 to $500 range. There are a lot of features to look at. Some might be overkill, some might be non-negotiables. So with this review, I'm going to show you one more option, and this one for the review is going to be the 27-inch carry-on model. Let's go. First, let's look at the overall presence of this suitcase. This is among the largest of the checked bags that Quince offers, the largest being the expandable version of this one. Now, I have a number of small and medium-sized suitcases, but very few large ones, so I wanted to try this one out for those trips where you're moving or doing a semester abroad. If you have a ways bigger carry-on or their medium-sized suitcase, this is how they compare to the Quince large check-in bag. The ultralight check-in bag features a lightweight, durable polycarbonate shell. This is comparable to what you'd find at Away and Monos, and is a material known for its high impact resistance. In my experience, it's best if the outer shell of your suitcase has a little bit of give, because that actually prevents it from cracking in the wrong conditions. From the outside, the features are very similar to what you'd find at comparable luggage brands. A smooth telescopic handle, 2 handles to pick up the luggage, YKK zippers, leather accent on the spine with really strong stitching, as well as a TSA-approved combination lock. This suitcase rolls so smoothly, and the 360-degree wheels are easy to maneuver, which is so important with a suitcase this size. It has Japanese-crafted Hinomoto 360-degree wheels, which is a very high standard for suitcases and something I would not skimp on personally. Now let's take a look at the interior. Personally, I find interior organization more important on my shorter trips and in my small suitcases than in my larger suitcases. In the large suitcases, I put a lot of clothes, books, and very random low-value items. So above all, I need compression and fabric that is rip-resistant, waterproof, and easy to clean. The Quince suitcase opens like a clamshell and has one side with a compression pad with a zip pocket and another with a zippered mesh compartment. It has one side pocket for small items, and it also comes with a zipped dirty laundry bag. The lining is made from water-resistant 75D polyester pongee, and it does feel very similar to the one in the Away suitcase, just not printed. Now, this wouldn't be a true review if I didn't take this suitcase for a real test drive. Last month, I flew from Kansas City to Montreal and was moving a few of our home items back from my in-laws to our house in Montreal. This suitcase only weighs 9.9 pounds and has a 99-liter capacity, but I did have to pay for overweight luggage since I filled this suitcase to the max and not just with lightweight clothes. It did just fine in transit, with a few scuffs on the bottom that were easy to rub off with the magic eraser type sponge that came with the suitcase. On the inside, a metal desk accessory that I had rubbed off on the lining, leaving some white marks, but I got that out with some soapy water and vigorous rubbing. Nothing in my suitcase was broken or bent, and the suitcase otherwise looks fine, so I give this Quince suitcase 2 thumbs up. How does this Quince suitcase compare to similar models from Away and Monos? Without owning and testing the exact same size in each brand, I can't give you an exact review, but I can give you the specs for you to consider. First, the price. Quince is just under $200 USD, and Monos is $355 and Away $375. When it comes to the measurements, they're all very close within just a few inches of each other, but overall, Monos actually has the biggest capacity, while Quince has the lightest weight. So keep that in mind when choosing your suitcase. With the wheels, the TSA lock, the telescopic handle, these are all quite comparable, so there isn't necessarily one that wins out. However, the Away suitcase has an additional bottom handle, which makes it easy for you to pull off your suitcase at the baggage claim. When it comes to the inside, Monos and Away do offer more organization compartments. And Monos offers 3 drawstring laundry bags and a pleather luggage tag, while Away offers 1 large drawstring laundry bag and a leather luggage tag. Quince is the only one that offers a zippered laundry bag. When it comes to color selection, Quince has 6 colors, Monos has 8 colors plus 3 limited edition, and Away typically has 10 choices at a time with different colors and finishes, but rotates through them and releases new ones fairly often. So Quince and Monos have some pretty consistent, solid color choices, while Away will be a great choice if you want something bright and special edition. Now, when it comes to warranty, all 3 of these brands offer a similar limited lifetime warranty. However, when it comes to the return window, Monos and Away offer a 100-day return window, while for Quince, it's 1 whole year. If the ethics of a company and the environmental impact of the product production matter to you, unfortunately, none of these brands got a great rating on the Good On You app. And that's it. I hope this review was helpful. If you want to check out Quince's line of luggage, you can find the link in my bio. And I have a lot of other content reviewing suitcases and travel gear, so make sure you go check out my other videos and subscribe. See you in the next video. Happy travels! Thanks for watching this video until the end. For more content like this, make sure you subscribe to the Capsule Suitcase and turn on notifications so you get all the fresh content as soon as it comes out. Thanks for supporting this channel. Happy travels!